Installation of the 2025 Tesla Model Y electric trunk.
Open the trunk. Pry off the trim panel with a pry bar. Remove the trim panel. Remove the screws. Remove the button panel. Pull out the button plug. Remove the storage box. Remove the hydraulic rod. Remove the body ball joint. Install the bracket. Lock the screws. Remove the left hydraulic strut. Remove the body ball joint. Install the bracket. Install the left electric support rod with the wire end down. Check that the support rod is firmly seated. Install the right electric strut with the wire end down. Remove the original lock machine. Pull out the lock machine plug. Install the electric suction lock machine. Remove the original lock machine torsion spring. Install the zipper hook. Install the original torsion spring back in place. Install the lock machine back. Fix it with the original screw in the middle. Connect the wires. Plug in the D8 harness to the lock machine adapter. Plug in D7 plug to the microswitch plug. Unplug the unlocking actuator plug. Plug in the D6 harness adapter. Plug in the power lock plug. Tie it with a zip tie. Open the small cover at the position of the trailer hook. Pass the emergency pull wire of the electric suction lock through the towing hook hole. Tie it with a zip tie. Put it back in place. Connect the negative wire to the ground. Open the positive power column cover. Connect the power adapter. Fix it with a matching nut. Tighten the nut with a tool. Connect the power positive line to the pickup. Plug in the buzzer. Plug in the electric jack wire harness plug. Insert the bus number into the control box. Place the control box, tie it with a zip tie. Tie the harness neatly along the original harness. Installation completed. Start to restore. Plug in the original buttons. The effect after installation. Turn on the original car screen control and control off.